So now I just opened the internet. Nissan makes, they say Samsung, Renault, Nissan, Hyundai. I don't know if this car have all this. I will go to keys function and I will check Nissan. I don't know how Nissan and Hyundai together. Maybe particularly this year, or the computer think that this car also, he said turn on the hazard, open or close the drive door. I open the drive door and close. Turn on the hazard. I think that the car turn the ignition, turn on the ignition. If the ignition cannot be turned, press OK. I say OK. Ignition is on. I'm running the car. The car is running now. This is a voltage is 14.15 to 15.1 to 14. It's not bad. I'm gonna take this remote also and keep it outside. But be careful if you are not sure to program this car. Be careful, because maybe you're gonna mess it up. The body control module could be messed up, so I'm gonna try to open this and add the key also. So this one is brand new. Here, saving. Okay, MOS touchy. I want to know how many key inside. If it's only one, or maybe there is no key. You see there is no codes. Smart key. Number of the register is 3. That's the VIN number. Okay, I'm gonna say add a key, because add a key means that maybe they shut it off, they turn it on. I don't know what happened. No, it's starting. No, they started, so it started. We'll erase all the key and learn new key. Okay. Turn ignition off. Turn hazard on. Ignition. Turn the ignition off. Open and close the driver door. Hazard on. And now say OK. You say some BCM, it can messed up, it can be bad. I'm gonna say OK. Place, add the place the ignition smart key. Okay, I'm gonna try to put this one because I know this is new. So I'm gonna put this one here at least to program it, right? Then please OK. Yes, network. Success. Press the ignition switch once, and within 5, place the smart key to be learned with the back again is OK. If the security lamp on the smart cluster does not replace the key immediately, OK. See now, blink 5 times, this key is registered. So everything will look OK here. But if you not replace the key quick, say OK, turn the ignition off. This one is registered already, you see. Now say OK. Program success. Do you want to program another one? Say yes. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. This is no good, you see. Thank God. Turn it off. I'm gonna try this. This one is good. Okay, turn the ignition off. Okay, so yes, press it. This is not working at all. Okay, no. So I'm gonna put this one here. See, they're gonna say start or maybe programming complete, but at least we are say OK. Turn the ignition off. Programming complete. See here, programming complete. Start the car. Okay, everything will look okay. I don't know, but when you are working on those kind of cars, I'm trying now to do this one. It's gone, no more. This one is no good anymore. So 2 of them is been damaged. We have to get one perfectly work. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. See you in another video. It look like this is wrong. This is maybe programming is for like cloning or anything. I'm not sure how it work, but it's not working, or maybe you have to clone it. Thank you. I'm gonna try to see if I can clone it. Okay, if it's not clonable, I'm good to go. But I don't know what kind of brand is this. But I know that we did the right one here. So I'm gonna push here. You see now, the back door open. I'm gonna push it 2 times to close it. Let me see now. 1, 2. Yeah, it's coming back. You see? That's on. 2 times. It's coming down here. Good. So now everything is good. We did the work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. If you have any question, feel free to ask. And the car is back into the normal function. Thank you.